Most people buy an air fryer after watching a few viral TikTok videos or scrolling through thousands of Amazon reviews filled with exaggerated promises. But what looks impressive online often turns into frustration after a few months of real daily use. Many cheaper air fryers begin developing problems surprisingly fast. Strange burning smells, uneven cooking, noisy fans, weak airflow, peeling non-stick baskets, unresponsive touch controls, and heating systems that lose power long before they should. Some models even leave food half-cooked while making the kitchen smell like hot plastic. And the truth is, not all air fryers are built with the same quality standards. After reviewing long-term owner feedback, expert testing, Reddit discussions, and reliability reports, a small group of air fryers clearly separates itself from the overcrowded market. These are the 4 air fryers in 2026 that come closest to a true buy it once and stop worrying experience. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one is best for your kitchen and cooking style. Let's get started. Number 4. Philips 5000 Series Air Fryer. Long before air fryers became a standard appliance in kitchens worldwide, Philips had already spent years refining the technology and establishing many of the standards that modern air fryers now follow. That early investment still shows in the Philips 5000 series, which focuses less on flashy features and more on the qualities that actually matter during long-term use: reliability, durability, and consistent cooking performance. While many newer brands compete through oversized touchscreens, trendy aesthetics, or aggressive advertising, Philips continues to prioritize engineering quality and dependable results. This becomes especially noticeable after extended ownership, when cheaper air fryers often begin developing issues such as uneven heating, weak air circulation, peeling non-stick coatings, or loose basket mechanisms. The Philips 5000 series generally avoids many of these common problems because of its stronger internal components, stricter quality control, and more refined airflow system. One of its biggest advantages is temperature stability throughout the cooking cycle, which plays a major role in achieving evenly cooked food. Independent testing has repeatedly shown that inaccurate temperature control is one of the biggest weaknesses in budget air fryers, often causing food to burn on the outside while remaining undercooked inside. Philips performs much more consistently, resulting in reliable cooking times and even crisping across foods like vegetables, fish, pastries, and frozen snacks. The overall construction also feels noticeably more premium, with sturdier baskets, thicker plastics, and smoother drawer operation. Although the higher price may discourage some buyers, many users consider it worthwhile because the appliance is designed to deliver dependable performance and fewer long-term issues, making Philips one of the most respected and trusted names in the air fryer market. Number 3. Cosori TurboBlaze 6-Quart. One of the reasons the TurboBlaze 6-Quart has become so popular is because it focuses on the things that actually matter in daily use, instead of relying on flashy marketing features. A lot of air fryers promise crispy food, but many struggle with uneven cooking, loud operation, or inconsistent performance once you start using them regularly. The TurboBlaze avoids most of those issues by combining strong airflow design with a more efficient internal motor system. The advanced DC motor plays a major role here, because it allows the fan to circulate heat more smoothly and consistently than many traditional air fryers that still use older AC motors. That translates into faster preheating, more even browning, and crispier food without constantly opening the basket to shake or rotate ingredients. Foods like fries, chicken wings, frozen snacks, and vegetables tend to cook with a more balanced texture, reducing the frustrating problem of burnt edges and undercooked centers. Another area where this model performs surprisingly well is noise control. Many air fryers can become irritating during longer cooking sessions because of the aggressive fan noise, especially in smaller kitchens or apartments. The TurboBlaze operates much quieter than many competing models, which makes everyday cooking noticeably more comfortable. Users also frequently mention the ceramic-coated basket as one of the biggest upgrades compared to standard non-stick interiors. The PFAS-free coating not only feels safer to many buyers, but it also helps with cleanup since grease and residue wipe away far more easily after cooking. Combined with responsive touchscreen controls, simple presets, and reliable overall cooking performance, the TurboBlaze delivers an experience that feels far more premium than its price category would normally suggest, which is exactly why it continues to receive strong reviews from both experts and everyday owners in 2026. Number 2. Ninja Foodi Dual Zone DZ550. The main reason the Ninja Foodi Dual Zone Air Fryer has become so popular is that it removes one of the biggest frustrations in everyday cooking: waiting for one food item to finish before starting another. In most conventional air fryers, meals have to be prepared in separate batches, which slows down the cooking process and makes it inconvenient for families or anyone preparing multiple dishes at once. This model solves that problem with 2 fully independent cooking baskets that can run at different temperatures and cooking durations simultaneously. As a result, you can cook items like chicken wings in one compartment while preparing fries, vegetables, or frozen snacks in the other without mixing flavors or compromising texture. Ninja has also managed to implement this dual zone system effectively, which is not easy because maintaining consistent airflow and heat distribution across 2 chambers is technically challenging. Despite that complexity, the air fryer delivers evenly cooked food and consistently crisp results in both baskets. One of its standout features is Smart Finish, which synchronizes cooking times so both sides complete together, making full meal preparation far more efficient. It also heats up quickly, reaches high temperatures with ease, and performs faster than many single-basket competitors. The build quality feels solid and durable, with responsive controls and sturdy baskets that suggest long-term reliability. However, it is not without drawbacks. The unit is relatively large and takes up considerable counter space, and cleaning 2 baskets requires extra effort. It is also more expensive than basic models, which may not appeal to occasional users. Still, for busy households and families, it offers excellent convenience and performance, making it a highly practical, modern kitchen appliance choice overall. Number 1. Instant Vortex Plus 6 Quarts. One of the biggest reasons the Instant Vortex Plus 6 Quarts continues to stand out is how dependable it feels during everyday use. Many air fryers perform well during the first few weeks, but over time, users start noticing uneven cooking, weak heating elements, unresponsive controls, or baskets that become difficult to clean. The Vortex Plus has earned a stronger reputation because it maintains stable performance even after months of regular cooking. Its heating system recovers temperature quickly after the basket is opened, which helps food stay crispy instead of turning soggy halfway through cooking. That matters more than most people realize, especially when cooking frozen foods, breaded chicken, or anything that depends on steady airflow to crisp properly. Another area where this model performs well is basket capacity. The 6-quart size hits a sweet spot for most households because it is large enough to cook full portions without becoming bulky or difficult to store. Many owners mention that it feels more practical than oversized, multi-function ovens that take up too much counter space while still not cooking as evenly. Build quality also plays a major role in why this model keeps getting recommended. The basket slides smoothly, the control panel feels responsive, and the overall design avoids unnecessary complexity that often leads to reliability issues in more feature-heavy competitors. Even after repeated daily use, many long-term owners report that the non-stick coating holds up better than expected when properly maintained. The cooking presets are useful without feeling gimmicky, and manual controls are simple enough for beginners while still offering enough flexibility for experienced users. In a market flooded with flashy air fryers packed with questionable extra features, the Instant Vortex Plus 6-quart succeeds because it focuses on the fundamentals and executes them extremely well. So after looking at long-term owner satisfaction, cooking performance, reliability discussions, and expert testing, these are the 4 air fryers that stand above the rest in 2026. The Instant Vortex Plus 6 quarts is the best overall air fryer for most people because it balances performance, reliability, and ease of use extremely well. The Ninja Foodi Dual Zone DZ550 is the best large-capacity option for families and multi-food cooking. The Cosori TurboBlaze 6-quart delivers some of the best value and efficiency in the entire air fryer market. And the Philips 5000 series remains one of the most dependable premium air fryers available today. At the end of the day, the best air fryer isn't the one with the most marketing hype. It's the one that cooks evenly, survives daily use, and doesn't become another broken appliance sitting in the corner of your kitchen. And in 2026, these four come closest to that ideal.